Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change backlight timeout in your Dell Inspiron 15 5000 laptop. So let's take a look how to do that. We all know in Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series laptop all is available backlight system. So when you're going to type anything, your laptop going to be backlight appear. But suddenly when you go to browse anything within 10 seconds or within 15 seconds, immediately the light is off. You might be want to change that time to 5 minutes or 1 minute or etc. So in this video I will share you by step how you can change backlight timeout in your Dell 15 5000 series laptop. So let's take a look how to do that. First of all, we need to restart our PC. So I'm going to make it restart. After restart, you need to click in your keyboard F2, long press F2 when this PC is going to restart. Long press in your keyboard F2 key, and then it's going to be appear in your BIOS setup. So you just long press in F2 and you will see there is appear BIOS setup. In here you need to go jump over system configuration. So I'm going to use my mouse, and here you support mouse. So you're going to click here system configuration. After click on system configuration, a screen will appear something like this. You need to choose your mouse cursor, just bring over down. So we're going to just bring over down by clicking over this down arrow. So you're going to just down arrow, click over there. Let me go over down, and we will find out here some keyboard function. You can see this is the keyboard function, which is keyboard backlight timeout on AC. So by default you can see it's saying 1 minute. Now if you want to make it 5 minutes you can choose, or if you want to make it 15 minutes or 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or never. So for example I will choose here 30 seconds, and then I'm going to click here apply change. You can see here make it apply change and ready to go. And then it will ask you apply setting configuration, save as a custom user setting. So you're going to click here just OK, and we just ready to go. We're just going to click here exit, and from now my keyboard backlight going to be turn on or turn off within 30 seconds. So like for example, if I am not using my keyboard, automatically after 30 seconds my keyboard backlight going to be turned off. So this is how you can easily change keyboard backlight timeout in your Dell Inspiron 15 5000 laptop. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.